if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So we got a nice video for you today out in the garden on the Bumpy Road Farm, and worked on this project, and I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited to show it to you and let you see what I've been doing to keep busy while I'm not on the trail. So here we go. So Mary and I wanted to have a way of cleaning vegetables off. There's our garden. Cleaning vegetables off while we're still out in the garden by the garden shed. So we have this old sink, and we figured we wanted to be able to pump water into the old sink. We also have water collection. We got 4 tanks collecting water off of this roof right there. Well, what to do with the water, how to get it there. So what I did is I have created that, and it's a water pump that's being run off of a 50-watt solar panel up on the roof of the shed. It's got a controller, as you can see, pump, a filter, accumulator, a switch, some fuses, and the battery is in marine box down below. The only thing that I have left to do is to tie this hose to this faucet, and I've got to get a new faucet for this, and that's what I'm going to do next. But I want to show you that this does work. So let me show you here. Hang on a second. And as you can tell, we're pumping water. So that's pretty cool, and I'm pretty happy about this. Now I'd really like to take credit for this system, but I really can't. I got the design and the instructions and the parts list from a friend of mine, Jason, who I really want to give a big shout out to. Jason, this really worked out well. It was a great project. I enjoyed doing it, and I couldn't have done it without your help, so I really do appreciate it. And as soon as I get that hooked up to the sink, pretty much that project will be behind us. So that's what I've been doing on the Bumpy Road Farm. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I hope you're having a good time while you're not on the trail. See you in 21. Bye.